All right, everyone. Here's Carlos Diaz from Omega Bus Trading, trading the Synergy Zones. Today is January 6, 2009. So I'm gonna follow through on the video and the forecast for today, British Pound versus USD trade that we placed. This is the second trade of the day, and I'm gonna follow through. Earlier this morning, we analyzed that the market should get into the synergy zones that I expected, and as you can see, these dotted red um, mark right here actually mark the opening of the European session, and that's actually in sync with my possibility of reversal. And the yellow 4692 line indicated the possible entry, I mean the possible target for the market, and this target was actually calculated from yesterday trading. And just to recap that trade yesterday, we went long about this area. You can just follow through on the previous videos, and as you can see on January 5, and these are the three target price. Both of the three prices reached, and the same thing applied today. Was using those target prices as the possible reversal points, and they actually hold pretty nicely, and the target reach again. The market just collapsed once again on the opening of the US session. I was going long, as you can see over here, that market, and I was expecting the market to rebound around this area. Yes, I understand that actually I usually use a stop loss below this point right here, below 45 43, and the market reached a low of 4501. So I'm sorry, there's another sign up that we keep going higher. And the point is that even though I know that it reached low my limit loss, I open it, I hold that loss because I understood that the market should reverse anyway, and based on all of my other indicators. So basically speaking, I hold into the trade. The market eventually went back again to um, the the second target price from previous days, and the third target price was my today's target, and actually the market reached, is that's where the prices are right now. They keep going higher, and so far it looks very nicely and very good to the upside movement. So I'm gonna move out my stop loss right now to 46.92. So I'm gonna pause the video so I can show you my trade. Okay, I'm back, and this is so far the trade that we have running right now. We bought one today at let me just squish it so you can see it. We bought one at 2009 one January 6 at 11:53, and we're still running into the very nice profit potential. As you can see, only one trade per session. This is the second trade of the day, and I'm gonna try to close this trade pretty neat. Give me 1 second, and I'll get back to you on. And okay, here we are. So far so good. It looks good. It looks pretty good to keep going to the upside, but I'm gonna clear out this trade right now. So I'm gonna close the trade. Let me just go like this, and I'm gonna show it to you right now. So I'm gonna close. And there you go. And that's the trade for today. It looks like they're going to start reversing from that point. They surpassed my target for today. The second trade of the day, $900 plus in the first one. And this trade right now. Okay, so this trade right now brought in a $1,120 right there. So first and foremost, I would like to just thank you for your time. I hope that this has been very beneficial for all of you. And well, what I'm gonna try to do right now is let me just expand this back over so we can get back into the chart. There you go. And this is basically what we're talking, and it's that we can actually forecast the market price movements based on price activity within the last couple of hours. There's obviously we can day trade, we can long term trade, we can do a lot of things, but basically And this is a very systematic approach, with a checklist in mind, a very planned trade with limit stop losses and stuff like that. And we will also, when this scenario happens, when you have a stop loss in place, you're going to be able to know if you should hold it or just quit and retake the trade again, as we just played out. But thank you for very much if you've been following this trade before they happen. I really hope that these last 2 days you've seen the potential of trading. It's all we usually go for one, no more than two trades per sessions, and these trades actually does not we do not plan on specific prices to get out, or I mean specific amount of money that we want to make. We just let the trade play it out, the complete system. We plan when to get in, we plan how to get in, we plan when to get out, we plan specific price rate levels where we should get out. If we should hold into the trades, we got specific ways on using a very proprietary indicators that they tell us if we should hold onto these trades or not, and so on and so forth. So, and I would just like to welcome you to consider, if you're looking to get a very robust a real trading approach under a specific bridge found in USD. Um, this is the main concept that we use. This is the main currencies that we trade. We became specialists in this, but it works on every other currency as well. So far our indicators still in pointing a very strong upward movement. This looks like it's going to go for the upward mark target that we plan ahead in the future about, which is 49.91. So keep posting that, so because it's very possible that we're going to reach that 49.91. So I'm going to plan ahead and re-enter this market on a little pullback. That's a very typical way to enter the markets. But as you can see, they're going for it, and I just hope, have you seen the power behind the Omega synergy zone, trading the synergy zone with precise knowledge and high probability trades. 1 second. Okay, so this is a small information. If you want more information about personally, you can Gmail you can send me an email to my Gmail email, omegavoz@gmail.com, right there, or you can actually go to Google and Google me, Omegavoz, um, on any part of Google, and you can actually see what people think about. I've been trying to help, so you can see that I'm not scamming anybody or nothing like that. I'm not a guru on marketing. I'm not a guru about that. I just want to build a very nice, a robust group of traders, and then where we can help each other and exchange ideas, and actually help a lot of people that I've seen they buying this automatic autopilot Forex autopilot stuff, which personally I know I've been trying a couple of them, and but I prefer doing the trades a little bit simpler, as we stated over here, and I have showed you beforehand how to play out the trade, and as you can see, the high probabilities of it. So thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you once again. I hope you have a very wonderful 2009. Success in the future, success in your trading, and best of luck on your life. Thank you very much.